Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a passcode on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the third option, the settings. And here you can find different options. You go to the passcode option under the offline option, and here you can set a required passcode. After 5 incorrect attempts you will be signed out. When you sign in again, you can set up a new passcode. You can turn on that, and you can enter a passcode for this option, and you can change your passcode, and you can show content in widgets if you create a passcode. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.